Here's something most men don't know, and most women don't openly talk about. 85% of women don't feel genuinely aroused until one thing happens. And no, it's not the moment you touch her, or whisper in her ear, or even when she sees you without a shirt. It's something deeper, something that starts in the mind, long before the body responds. For women, attraction is often a slow burn. Biology and psychology both agree. Most women need a mental and emotional spark before the physical one can fully ignite. That means she could be physically close to you, smiling, laughing at your jokes. But until this mental switch flips, her desire will stay in neutral. So what's the switch? It's the feeling of emotional safety combined with excitement. Yes, both. Safety, because her brain needs to know she's secure before it allows full arousal. Excitement, because her emotions crave novelty, playfulness, and unpredictability. When you give her only safety, she might like you, but she won't feel desire. When you give her only excitement, she might be intrigued, but she won't trust you enough to let herself go. It's the blend that triggers her deepest attraction. Think about it. Why do so many women fall for a man who makes them laugh and makes them feel understood? Why does she remember the little moments you listened closely, and also the times you teased her just enough to keep her on her toes? Because that combination tells her subconscious mind, this man sees me. This man excites me. This man is safe for me to feel with. Here's where most men go wrong. They try to skip the mental stage and jump straight into the physical. But for the majority of women, that's like trying to start a car without turning the key. The engine just won't catch. If you want to be the man she can't stop thinking about, focus on connection before escalation. Show genuine curiosity in her thoughts. Make her feel seen, valued, and accepted. Then spark her sense of adventure. Be playful. Be unpredictable. Create moments that feel like they could only happen with you. When you do this, her attraction shifts from surface level to something she feels in her bones, something she can't fake and can't forget. And that's when she starts craving you, not just physically, but emotionally and mentally. Music swells and fades, because at the end of the day, turning a woman on starts with touching her mind. Before you ever touch her body,